Have your roof rack welds broken like mine from stress? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix that in under 3 minutes for under 20 bucks. Let's get into it. So a little while back, this roof rack weld broke, and I haven't decided to fix it because it hasn't been too much of an issue because I had these two other points. And then just last week I saw that this one has now broken as well, so I thought it's about time I do something about it. So I've gone down to Bunnings and I've picked up some of this flat bar aluminium, and I'm going to show you how to fix these roof racks.
Okay, so the tools that I'm using are a tape measure, a pencil, a file, a drill, some drill bits, an impact wrench, and some paint. Now you don't necessarily need the impact wrench, the paint, or the file. If you don't have an impact wrench, you can easily use a spanner. Also going to need some form of cutting device. I'm using a drop saw, but you could also use a grinder. Now for your materials, you're going to want some aluminium flat bar, some heavy duty bolts, some heavy duty lock nuts, and some washers to suit your roof racks. Now the first thing I'm doing is just measuring the distance that I want to cut my flat bars at. That is 60 mil, and then I'm going to cut 4 pieces of flat bar at 60 mil. Now next up, I'm just positioning the flat bar where I want it, and then drilling a pilot hole through the flat bar and the roof racks. I'm then putting that one 60mm plate on top of the other and just marking that pilot hole on the second one there. Then I'm going to drill out my flat bar along with my roof racks with a 10mm drill bit to give my M8 bolts a bit of wiggle room. So I've just done the bottom one here, the bottom hole, and then I'm going to put my flat bar either side and slide the bolt through all together. And then once that's done up, I'm going to drill a pilot hole through the top, and then that will allow me to widen it and also put my second bolt through, which will tie it all together. Now we just need to do the same to the left side.
Now there's only one more thing to do.
And for me, I love things blacked out, so the last thing I'll do is just give it a quick click of black. Touch up paint.
Mate, those are so strong, and I'm super happy with how they turned out. Super cheap, super quick, and just really easy to do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, giving it a like, and let me know down in the comments if there's other things that you need like this done on your rigs, and maybe we can do a video on it too. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.